All right, welcome back to tonight's trading session. I'm your host, Alex. We're going to be going over the markets that don't seem to want to cooperate this week. That's okay. You win some, you lose some. The goal is to follow the strategy exactly every time, even when things aren't going your way. 668. It's higher than 667. All right, so yeah. I looked at them at the gym, the Euro franc and the other one, but we'll find out as we go. So here's the Euro. No change. We are low on the curve though. If we get close above there, that'll be really good. We can finally look at hopefully taking some trades. No close below the low. No close below the low. You know, Todd Davis actually had a really good general session XLT today. I was watching some of it. It was more like how to use click. I don't know. That was like the first half hour. I'm going to watch the second half sometime when I feel like it. But, yeah, if you guys know how to use click, it's probably a really good thing to watch. They're doing this new like pilot to see how to. I think what they're really doing is making everything in-house. So there's no more like outside brokers. There's no more like Blackboard. I think that's what they're trying to do, to be honest, which would make sense. I think everyone would appreciate that. 752 is higher than 750, so here we go. Get a little upward strength here. I like Todd Davis. I met him. He's huge, though. He's a big guy. He's like 6'4", something like that. Really good guy. So Todd Davis, if you're watching this, that's my honest opinion. So 527 is higher than 526. So we just move this over. He talked about the pro picks too, and like some of them like go away or get deleted, but they're trying to change. I think, dude, they got to update a lot of their shit too. Like, so for the pro picks, they'll disappear because you have to select. So if you go into like the pro picks, and you have to go to like where you can select what you want to see, and you have to select like some of them. So when they close for no entry, they just like go away. But you can go in and then check the box that says close no entry or closed break even, and then they'll show. They were talking. I think they're trying to they need to update that. What they really need to do is update the fucking what's it called, that trader Facebook shit they have, because that is a hassle to use. I was really excited for that. I forgot what it was called. But I got on there, I was trying to share trades, and it's really not user-friendly. They need to update that for sure. Power Trader Nation, I think it's called. It's if you have 2 XLTs, you can go in there and share trades and stuff. Like, I would do that on there. Probably be a better audience, or a different audience, I guess, but I would share videos and stuff in there, but like, you can't. I don't even think that's a feature. I think they have it, but then it doesn't work. 740 is the same as 740, but yeah, so that's like my opinion on it. I haven't been on there in a while either. I'd love to fucking share stuff on there though. That'd be really cool. Okay, so the yen is being real weird. We got that. This high might be higher actually. Oh, let's see. It's 2650, 2660. So this one's higher. Did I cancel this one yet? Oh, I don't think I did. Yeah, so we gotta cancel this for now. They did talk about like setting and forgetting, and like how you should definitely watch your trades as they're like happening and check in on them, you know, because if you just set and forget things, and I've done this before, super guilty of it. These ones are canceled now. You just let things sit and you don't watch them and like have rules for like arrival, like these, you'll just get like wrecked. Their like profit margin's a little high though. I think they want 5 to 1s and 3 to 1s, otherwise like confirmation entries and stuff. And I'm like, not my style. I'm not by my computer all day to like watch things as much as I would love to be, but it's kind of dull. opinion. Well, let's see here. So close 80, 0, 80 is lower than 220. Right. So we might have a trade here. But a lot of that stuff's personal preference too, and like they have the rules, and you have to follow like the rules and stuff. But I don't know. I'm definitely loyal to the OTA world, though. That's why I use their trading strategy. When you pay $15,000 for something, though, it's kind of like, well, I better be able to figure this out, you know? All right. This one. All right. Okay. Yen. So CAD yen. We got a lot of great like potential stuff going on here, but it's got to let it go. And we took 2 losses this week as a trade plan, but if you look back, if we would have followed it exactly, we would have had 3 profitable weeks this month.
Because the first week, I made some mistakes that costed me 3 losers.
It could have been avoided. Last week was really good. The week before last week was really good. I think this week it's not bad. It's part of the game. You'll have that though. It'll go both ways. Sometimes you just get 2 winners, and like that's it. And there's nothing like to take. So you just gotta be patient. Just stick to your plan. You'll find stuff. Sometimes you have weeks where like you just can't lose, and those are the best weeks. To be honest, I love those weeks. Some potential opportunities here. As soon as we get that close, looking some purple, like that. This is a leg out candle and a leg in candle. So this would be a zone on zone. So probably the lower one. And this one. Probably those 2. Probably stop just below there and then take this one separately. Or if it's the profit margin allows, take it as a level on level. You do that too. This one though could be a level on level. Just because, no, it's actually a reaction there. So I'd probably just take that bottom one because you have the 2 little wicks that come into here. There we go. So yeah, we're getting close above there. We got some good entries there. Entries. I think I said that weird. Entries. I don't know. And you can also look at this one too. Go ahead and delete these green lines for now because we're not going to be using them for probably the entire stuff. So unless the price comes back down here and has this crazy rally, which would be great. But yeah, so close above there. Feeling pretty good about those. Just going to adjust this. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, this one's still on, isn't it? It's on like Donkey Kong. Yep. So this is still good. The reason why is this one looks like it should have a box down and a box up, but it doesn't have the close above. It was just a close above, and I moved this over here just so it looks nicer. Otherwise, you'd get this. And you get that wick right there, which is kind of annoying. But right here is probably divergence. Let's see. Yep, right there. There's your divergence. So you got this and that. That's divergence. You can tell. So this is what the picture looks like. If the close is below the close and the high is above the high, that is usually divergence. That's that picture I've been kind of like talking about. That's one of the pictures. Probably, I don't know. That's the one I was like taught to kind of look at. I had a buddy who used to trade. He used to trade supply and demand with divergence on the stochastics, I think it was. Yeah, because I always like the RSI compared to the stochastics because there's like less just shit going on. Because the stochastics has 2 lines. But he would trade it. He did really well. He turned like $10,000 into $40,000 in like a 2-month period. But he was like, I think, over leveraged, and he eventually blew up his account. But yeah, I was like, damn, dude, this is awesome. Yeah, his risk was also like super high. I mean, his like zone like widths were really big, is what I should say. What is this? This is an uptrend high on the curve. Close 458. It's 458, okay? Waiting on arrival. I don't think that's going to happen. It's going to be too late. So 900, 900, all right. Oops, why is this weird? Close that out. There we go. Take a peek here. Oh, here's a potential area. Right there, stop below there. Probably this too. And that. So we got 3 potential areas right there. We got 6 potential trades on here. I don't really like these. These have not been my friend. When it's like overlapped on the 240 like that, they just, yeah, see, like, you can't even see the fucking box. Those have not been my friend though. But anyways, moving on. Just waiting for the pound CAD to break out too. And the pound franc. 68 is higher than 67, so no down box there. So yeah, that's it. We're just really waiting. Like, once things start breaking out, because everything's basically like waiting to roll over or waiting to keep going, whichever direction it's going to be going. So we want that like confirmation that it's going to go our way before we start getting into trades. And that can be the hardest thing sometimes. Like, I want to trade. I want to get in something. I want my fucking phone to be like, you know, when I look at it, I'm in trades and stuff, but like, you'll just have these weeks where everything is trending and it's on the opposing thing of the curve, and you just got to wait for it to turn around. But you got to stick with your guns, know your plan, do the sit on your hands strategy, which no one likes because it's like, you know, you want to feel like you're working, right? A little bit. I do, at least. Speaking of working, I start my job on Friday, which is kind of interesting. But so yeah, that's what I got for you tonight. No new trades. We do have some potential setups as long as we get the 240 to close above there. So a couple of these euro pairs. Euro franc is still on. That's a pretty big trade. The euro, what was it? Not the pound. Well, the pound too. Oh, look at that. See, the euro New Zealand. We got a couple new fresh opportunities. As soon as this candle closes, what'll that be? 11 o'clock tonight. I think what I'll do, I'm not going to do the 11 o'clock at night video, but I'm going to check this back probably before I go to bed and see if that candle closes above. If it does, check the profit margin on it and probably set all 4 of these back up, to be honest. There's no reason, well, this one I might wait on, this one probably not. I'll probably take that. What's the 10-point zone? Yeah, I can get 10 points and stuff out of that. I would love to take these as like a level on level though, just because it's so close. Like, this is the finger pointing to here. We'll see. I'll probably take them both separately. And depending on what happens, I'll explain it in tomorrow's video. So we got the euro franc. That's a trade that's still on. What was the Aussie CAD doing? Deciding what it wants to do. See, this is divergence too. It should be, at least. Where is it? Maybe not. Nope, that's not divergence. Oh, that's okay. So I don't trade divergence. What the? Oh, okay, so I just deleted the RSI, which is okay. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that because that's like, once I move this to make it red, I mean, I just don't think that's going to play out, to be honest. Maybe. But then what else? We have the Euro New Zealand, Euro Aussie. That's got to go down. Euro CAD. What's the New Zealand doing compared to the Euro? Euro is working its way up, the New Zealand's working its way down. So this is like some like cross pair things. So we want this to go up, which means we want the Euro to go up and the New Zealand dollar to go down. If both of those are going down, we'll have a like much stronger trade. However, we want to do it after we've been accepted and got our order filled. That's kind of the key. Check the daily. So I'm actually going to move the curve too, because that's a swing high. That's daily demand there. Move this. Pro tip. And there we go. Click on your lines before move the curve, your curve thing. Because otherwise it doesn't like go to the same area, which is super annoying. So yeah, there we go. The reason is, as you guys can see, the reason I'm doing that is because like if I drew the lines on here, that's a swing high, that's a swing low, that's a swing high, and then to complete the swing high, it would look like that. That's the breakout, just like the 240. So yeah, that's why that is my curve. That's why I moved it, because this candle closed above the swing high on there. But anyways, okay, that's all. We're almost on 20 minutes, so go back to here. Euro franc is still good. No entry. Yeah, that's it. So just the Euro franc. Double check that. Yep, we got 36 points away. Hopefully tomorrow we can take some more trades. But yeah. Anyways, all right. So have a great night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe, hit the bell button, tell all your friends. Tell them how awesome these videos are and how helpful they are. The one-on-one stuff will, I'll be available for that coming up probably in like 2 weeks or so. I just want to get in like a rhythm of working and seeing when I can personally trade. I'm probably going to bring I got a little tiny laptop I'm going to take with me to work so I can trade like during a lunch break or something. Working lunch, as they call it. But then I'll probably still make the nightly videos. That way they're still, available. I think these are, if they're helping somebody, great. Otherwise, they're just something future clients can look at. But all right, I'm done talking. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.